Hey guys, what's up? Today in the SamsBrickLab we're going to be upgrading the Speed Champions McLaren Elva. So as far as Speed Champion sets go, the Elva is definitely the top of the line. It's a very accurate recreation of the Elva right down to the missing windshield, which is one thing that I'm just not a big fan of. I know the actual car doesn't have a windshield either, when there's nothing I can do about that, but I can on the LEGO version here. And one thing you'll notice is that I did already swap out the headlights. The ones that came in the set were these polished silver tile pieces, but I swapped them out for some glow-in-the-dark ones, which came from the Monkey Kids Bone Demon Mech set. If you don't have that set, those pieces are also available on Bricks and Pieces or BrickLink, whichever you prefer. And the reason why I switched those out was because it does look like that LEGO used glowing pieces on the box art, but unfortunately in real life they did not. So that's another minor switch I made. But to add in the windshield, it's actually really easy. In fact, you'll only need about 4 pieces that aren't included in the set. So first thing we'll have to do is pry up the slope here and the stud underneath, and then the 1x3 tile that's sitting right here in front of the steering wheel. And then once you've done that, you just need to add in the windshield piece, and then these pieces right here. And once you have those, what you're going to do is just plug the plate in right in front here, add the bigger tile in front of the steering wheel, and the smaller tile in the remaining space, and then just plug in the windshield and you're done. It's really that easy. And here's what the Elva looks like with the windshield replaced. It's funny how just one piece like this can change the entire look of a car, but in my opinion I think it's a vast improvement. But maybe you don't, maybe you prefer the original version. Either way, let me know in the comments below, and also if you want to help support the channel, feel free to buy the set using the affiliate link in the description or the comments below. You don't pay anything extra for the set, but Amazon will give me a small commission if you do, so there's always that. So if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Anyway, that'll do it for today, so let's roll that end card. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all that other good stuff. And if you want to see more of my content, please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. And if there's something you want to see me build, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below, and I will see what I can do. Again, that's all I have for you guys today, so I will see you next time.